Okay, it's 2025, and it's so many ways that us as creators can use AI to elevate our skills and our opportunities. So real quick, I just want to talk about 5 ways that I think you and I can both use AI to elevate. Number 1, pitching to brands. I personally don't use this, but I think it's a great way for somebody who isn't seasoned to write up a great pitch and pitch themselves to a brand for an opportunity to work with that brand. Now, the easiest way to do this is use ChatGPT. If you want to land a sponsorship with a company or you want to collaborate and work on a big project with a company, all you got to do is ask ChatGPT to write you out a detailed pitch saying what you can provide for that company, what you're able to offer, what you would love to make for them, where you could help their content grow. Put all of these details into your prompt and ask it to spit out something nice, professional, and we want to persuade the brand that they need what we have to offer to elevate their brand. And we will bring that. You have to bring that. Make sure you bring that. If you're not skilled in pitching or persuading or selling your services to somebody or company or client, etc., you can use AI to write you up a nice, persuasive, professional pitch. I hope that doesn't come off crazy, because it's not crazy. It's just helping your opportunities. It's helping you get opportunities by making it super persuasive using AI. Number 2, we can use AI for ideas. You can get on ChatGPT and ask AI, hey, what are some good ideas for a videographer trying to make YouTube videos, or a vlogger trying to make YouTube videos with his son? The better you can write out a more in-depth prompt, AI is going to generate you some really good information and ideas. Whether it's YouTube videos or TikTok videos or Instagram Reels or client work, just getting a little help with the ideas, not making the AI do the work for you, but getting an assist, like a helper or an assistant, to help you gain some ideas that you can elaborate on. I don't have this problem personally, but sometimes I know creators do have a hard time coming up with their own ideas. Now, you can use AI to help you with your ideas. Not only that, but creating prompts where you can generate images or videos that are made by AI to spark ideas is also incredible. Now, Artlist just dropped this new AI image and video generator where you can generate AI images and AI video. Before you get scared, let me tell you how this can help you with ideas and how it can help you with number 3. Artlist just introduced the only video tool built for video creators with 1 license. It's the highest quality out. And what you literally can do is just use your ideas out of your brain, randomness, complete randomness, and type in the text and generate an image. Then you can use this image to help your ideas sprout. You can even take that image and generate it into a video itself for more ideas, and you can even use it on a project. This is something to be highly excited about. It can help further your ideas. And then number 3, you can use this stuff for filler shots and promotional use. You can use this for a filler shot in a project. Now, if you're missing a piece and you didn't get a drone shot, you can just generate a drone shot by simply writing out your prompt in a very descriptive way and generating it into an image and then into a video, and you could throw this in a video project if you need to. I don't think that fully relying on this to be a creative is the wave. I think using this as an assistant or a helper to further help your creative idea come to life is the way to use this. It's just another creative asset that you can use in your toolbox to make better videos. Not to mention, Artlist is always going to be updating the generator with the latest models and styles to give you the best videos possible. All your creations that you make, whether it's the image or the video, are covered by the Artlist license for use in your video projects. You don't got to worry about any legal small print. Artlist has you covered. You can use whatever you generate in any of your projects. Not to mention the fact that Artlist has some of the best music out there for video projects or sound effects or stock footage. They have pretty much every single thing. They have LUTs as well, everything. Let me just show you what I've kind of been playing around with. I did drone shot, floating over the ocean, bird's eye view, large waves crashing against the rocks. I could obviously get way more in depth with this, but this is all I kind of thought about. It was just something quick, and look what the picture it generated for me. And then I went to image to video, and it created this shot right here of the drone going over the ocean with the waves crashing against that rock. If I needed to throw that into a project, I could. You also have the option right here to change it to landscape, portrait, or square. You also can generate multiple images, 1, 2, or 3 images. And then it costs credits over here, as you can see. And then right here, you can also enhance your prompt to be more descriptive, and it'll actually give you suggestions and help write yours out better. So let's enhance it real quick and see what they say from my little basic one. Oh, a captivating drone shot captures a breathtaking aerial view over the vast ocean. See, they got super descriptive and they're helping me basically describe what I'm trying to describe so that I'll get a better outcome when I generate my images, which is just cool. And then if you don't want to use that, you can just hit back and it'll go right back. That's tight. You come over image to video. For now, the highest resolution is 1080p, which I think is totally fine and understandable. And then you can do a duration 5 to 10 seconds for right now. All this stuff is going to get better and better. This is just the beginning. Coming down, you can see I did a couple other things. I did this right here. My prompt was Jordan sneakers floating through the sky with pink clouds. And it spit out this image for me and this image for me. And this is also gonna tie into what's next for me on my list, number 4. If you wanna create flyers, you can generate images to create flyers for like parties or events or just creative things. You can create whatever is in your mind. You can make an AI image to create promotional things for yourself to share online, which I think this is dope. The Jordan floating through the pink cloud skies, which is crazy. I got my son to generate something for me earlier as well. We were looking to get dinosaurs. Let's see, what did we type in? Dinosaurs wearing tuxedos and drinking Coca-Cola in New York City streets. Dinosaurs are nice. It's sunny outside. There's birds and clouds in the sky. This was all from my son. This is from my 9-year-old son. He wanted to describe his own little idea and scene, and this is what it spit out. And we were both like, yo, this is really sick. Like, this looks like it could be a wallpaper on my laptop. And then we got it to animate to video, which is pretty good. Like, it's decent. Like, it's gonna get better and better, but I could have also generated another try and described it better. But look at that, man. It's just crazy that we can type in stuff like that and get something out as crazy as this. Down here, I got some images that I created where I was just basically saying a white guy with tattoos, short hair, fade, wearing big headphones and holding his digital camera walking through the city at nighttime. I was kind of trying to describe maybe myself in a situation that I thought would be cool and would match the type of vibe that I would probably take images of myself in. And this is what he came up with. This is my favorite right here. This one right here. I love that one. And then there's other ones down here also where I didn't describe the hair and it had longer hair and it did have the full beard. This was the first one that I created earlier where I did the same thing and it spit out this guy walking through with the headphones and the camera strap, and it just looks dope. I also generated it into a video right here where it was like close up on him and then it pulls back. And if I just wanted to be like narrating a story in a video and use this to describe it, I could do that. If I was making a motivational video or something and I wanted to just use something really cool and animated like this, I can do this now without having to draw. And I get it. Some people are animators and they do make videos like this for a living, but the fact that I don't know any and I can use this to help me tell my story in my video and not use it fully for my projects, but as an assistant to help bring the story that I will be shooting and putting together, that's crazy. This is exciting. But back to number 4, you can use this AI image and video generator from Artlist to also help you create images for like flyers and creative things that you're trying to put together. No, it's not gonna be the end of it. If I wanted to create an image and throw it onto a flyer, I would also be adding my own creative touch to it. It's just helping me out with the background image. So just let me show you an example of that real quick. Let's just say I'm in Photoshop and I got a creative meetup coming up, right? So 1500, let's make it into a square. I got a creative meetup coming in Atlanta. I wanted to generate a cool image to be the background of my flyer. I could just simply go to Artlist and create some type of cool, wild idea that I have in my head into a video or into an image and use it on the background of a meetup like this. And just like that, I took some creative ideas out of my head, used AI to help generate a cool image to help me promote a meetup or something that I have coming up. And it just looks cool. It's something that I probably couldn't have done or would have taken me a really long time to create. And I can do things like this simple. I think that's really cool. I think you could use AI to do stuff like that. I think that's helpful. It's a very helpful assistant. Number 5, I also think that using the AI voiceover over on Artlist is also super beneficial and helpful as well. If you're somebody that doesn't like to share your voice in your video projects or on anything, but you want something narrated, you can use AI AI voiceover over on Artlist as well to create voiceovers. And I'm not trying to keep talking about Artlist. It just so happens that they pretty much have everything that you need. AI voiceover, AI image and video, then they have music and sound effects and stock footage. They just pretty much have all you need. I know this video is sponsored, but I swear, I didn't intentionally want to talk about Artlist every single thing, but the past 3 or 4, they're just coming in clutch for it. But you can use AI voiceover over on Artlist to create these voiceovers, whether it's cinematic or quirky or funny or whatever the case may be, to help narrate a video project that you have, especially like I said, if you don't like putting your voice on the video, or if you think it doesn't fit the mood or the project that you're trying to make, you have AI to help assist you with stuff like that. I know there's endless amounts of ways that you can use AI out there, and I know a lot of people are using it in very creative and crafty ways, from designing spreadsheets and treatments and call sheets for projects, all types of stuff, everything. So if you're somebody that is using AI, which I know a lot of y'all are using AI right now, because everybody I talk to is like, I use ChatGPT for everything. So I know y'all are using AI. So don't try to act like AI is weird or it's taking people's jobs or you ain't using it or whatever the case may be. But if you are using it, please drop down other creative ways that you're utilizing AI with your workflow or your projects or your business side of things or anything down below, so that other creators can see other cool, crafty, creative ideas that's so loud outside. But drop those down there so that everybody can get creative, crafty ideas on how to utilize AI and use it to help their situations or opportunities or make their projects a little bit easier. I appreciate you watching. This is not the end of the world. AI is not taking over. I think it's just something to help. It's just there to help. It's there to be an assistant. Appreciate you watching the video. Hope this helps. If it did, great. Let me know down below. Another loud noise outside. All right, that's it. I gotta cut the camera. It's just too much going on. Shout out to Artlist. Make sure you check them out with the link down below. I promise you will not be let down if you check them out. I love Artlist. But until next time, peace.